Okay, now we're back recording. This is going to be the last part, the third part of the webinar today. Okay, over to you, Lizzie.
Okay, so the third and the final part. So we have talked about asking and answering questions about ourselves, asking and answering questions about a picture, and now we're going to talk about eliciting. I don't know if you remember this, but what does eliciting mean? A or B? Can you write in the chat box? Aha, so Katya has answered. Good. You all have the same answer. Good. Okay, yes, it's asking the students to give us information. So we don't always ask questions. Sometimes we just make a sentence or a definition, and our students can tell us what is it. And we do this because it gives the students more chance to speak. So the teacher is not always speaking and always giving the information. The students are also giving the information and speaking. So I'm going to show you 6 very simple sentences, and I want you to try to guess what each thing is. Okay, so these are 6 definitions. What thing do I want you to tell me? Okay. You can write in the chat box. Okay, so you're thinking of questions. So let's have a look. He's my father's brother. So if I say to my students, he's my father's brother, what word do I want them to give me? What information do I want them to give me? Ah, yes.
Diana has it.
Yes, Katya and Wesley. Yes, uncle. Yes. Okay. So instead of me telling them, this is my uncle, they can tell me this. They can show me that they know this word. Okay, great. And I think Monica has already said that she does this every class in the chat box. And also, one of you said it's a cognate. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, Liliane says eliciting is a cognate. Great. Yeah, that's very true. So this is exactly what we're doing. So I don't say this is my uncle. I say he's my father's brother. Who is he? He's my uncle. Okay. So how about the others? I drink it for breakfast. Waterfall. Mm.
We are writer or
yes,
speak?
You can write it. Coffee, yeah, milk, tea. You can write it any way you want in the chat box. Juice. Yeah. So this this sentence can make our students say many different words, right? We can see how many words they know. Coffee, tea, milk, all of these words. Okay. And as Monica said, some of you already do this, which is great. Monica, do you do this in English or in Portuguese?
Both ways. I started doing this after I took a course on critical thinking, and I learned a method called the Socratic method. So I do it both in Portuguese and English.
Great.
Not only to check students' understanding, but like trying to promote their critical thinking on depending on the topic we are studying.
Yeah, making the students think. Yeah, making them take part.
and make the class more student-centered than teacher-centered.
Brilliant. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, and of course you can do it in Portuguese, but I suggest that everyone tries maybe once or twice in a lesson, even if it's just once or twice, try it in English, because I think you'll be surprised. Your students will be able to tell you in English, to answer you. Okay, so it's round and green fruit, so easy. What's that? Lemon. Oh, yeah, I suppose some lemons are green. Yeah, I was thinking of a different one. Yeah, apple, yeah. But yeah, lemons can be green, and so can oranges, right? Ah, yeah, watermelon. Okay, great. So the children or the adults, whoever they are, teenagers, they can guess. Yeah, instead of you telling them, I can have a shower there. Bathroom, yeah. Great. Yeah, of course. Okay. It lives in China? Panda, great. I wonder, yeah. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Great. Okay, yeah, it's a panda. And the past tense for right. Yeah, it's sad. I agree, Katya. Wrote, yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Great. So we can elicit in all different things. We can elicit the past tense, or we can elicit some vocabulary. Okay. Great. So I would like you now, very quickly as you can, actually. It doesn't matter how many you write, but I'd like you to write down 5 words. They can be family words, they can be places, they can be fruit, they can be any objects you like, okay, or anything. And I'd like you to just write down 5 of them. If you can't, 3 is okay. If you want 10 is okay. It doesn't matter. Try to aim for 5. Okay, you just have 1 minute. Start so we can, yeah, great. Go ahead.
Okay, so are we going into breakout rooms?
Yes, please. Okay, so we are going to do groups of 3 again. So one of you will say a word and the others need to think of a sentence to elicit that word, okay? So if I say apple, you can say it's a small, round, green fruit, okay? So A will say the word and B and C will make a sentence. And then B say a word, A and C make a sentence, okay? Ready?
About 3 to 4 minutes in case people get bumped out of the rooms, okay?
Yeah, no, fair enough, yeah.
Okay, so good luck. I'm opening the rooms now.
Okay.
Okay, now we are recording again now. I should let you know. So how did you get on with the eliciting?
She asked me which kind of students I prefer to teach. I prefer to teach smart students.
Okay.
Smart students.
Can be teenagers or adults. If they are smarter to learn English, I like to teach them.
Great. Wesley has something to say. Wesley, do you want to say something?
No, I just was clapping. It was a really good answer.
Oh, you were clapping.
Actually.
Oh, sorry. I thought you had your hand up.
No problem.
Does anyone else want to tell us anything? What was the most interesting thing that you elicited? What was the most...
Our group, all the 3 of us are rock lovers.
Oh. Okay.
Yes.
So what did you? So did you elicit rock from them?
Me too.
Yeah, they
Oh,
asked
Me
everybody
too.
my
likes
I'm a rock
favorite-
lover too.
They
I'm
asked me
into.
my favorite kind of music, so the topic rock started to go around. Everybody loves rock.
Brilliant. Okay. So Maria, did you try to elicit rock?
He asked me my favorite one, and I said that I was a rock lover, and both of them are lovers of rock too. So
Okay.
that's why we started to talk about that.
Yeah, yeah, maybe you talked about something else. That doesn't matter at all. That's great. No problem. Anyone want to tell us something interesting that they elicited? No?
Helmet.
Yes.
He showed me a helmet, and I had to describe it. And I described what was it for and how was it. And this is one of the things we talked about too.
Okay, so that's another kind of eliciting. Yeah, showing a picture and asking the students about the picture, asking them what they can see, yeah, and describing it. Yeah, absolutely. Great. Okay, so I think
Can you say Leandro has his hand up? Be nice to hear from Leandro.
Oh, sorry, Leandro.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
I say the word home, and my colleagues say the place where you can rest or work a lot.
Yes. Great.
Yeah, I think we slowly wrap up. But yeah, go on, Adriana. Sure.
I said orange, the fruit or the color. Then my friend said he doesn't eat orange, just drink orange juice.
Great. Lovely. Okay. Shall we finish there, Christina? Yeah.
Probably can do. Yes, I think that's really nice. Yeah.
Great. Okay. So yeah, you can talk about how it relates to
when you don't know how to use it, you can say, how does it work? How does it work? The question is, how does it work when you don't know how to use?
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
That's
good.
Wonderful.
Yeah. How does it work?
Yeah, wonderful. That's basically all we have time for today with Lizzie, but I'll stay on afterwards like I always do and have a chat with anybody who wants to have a chat for another couple of minutes. Can we say thank you to Lizzie for joining us today and giving us these lovely practice activities for our classrooms? We'll talk about the classroom side of it later. Yeah?
Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon, okay?
Thank you.
Lovely to talk to you, and very, very nice to meet you all. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
See you next week.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure.